Akkadian Aramaic. Akkadian is an extinct East Semitic language, once spoken in ancient Mesopotamia, including regions like Akkad, Assyria, and Babylonia. It was used from the 3rd millennium BC until the 8th century BC, when Old Aramaic gradually replaced it. Named after the city of Akkad, Akkadian is the earliest documented Semitic language and was written using the cuneiform script, which was initially for Sumerian but later adapted for other regional languages. The close contact and prestige of Sumerian significantly influenced Akkadian's phonology, vocabulary, and syntax, leading scholars to describe their relationship as Sprachbund. Chaldean Neo-Aramaic is a modern Eastern Aramaic or Syriac language, spoken in the region between Lake Urmia in Iranian Azerbaijan and Mosul in northern Iraq. It is not to be confused with the mostly now disused term Chaldean, referring to the Old Aramaic dialects of the Chaldean, or 11th dynasty of Babylonia. Originally, Chaldean Neo-Aramaic was spoken on the plain of Mosul in northern Iraq, but it is now the language of a worldwide diaspora. Most speakers are members of the Chaldean Catholic Church.
Ishten,
خا
Shina,
تري
Shalash,
ثلاثة
Erbe,
أربعة
Chomish,
خمسة
Shedish,
إشتا
Tsebe,
شوا
Tamane,
ثمانية
Tishe,
تسعة
Esher,
إسرة
Abuni, Shaina Shamee Washibo, Shumka Litakab,
بابا دقيلة بشمية باي شم قدش شمخ
Shahotu Conflictiam, Eli Artsetim, Malaina Shamee, Plebaka Likashid.
أثيا ملكوثخ ها وعجبونخ داخد إيلي بشمية هادخ هم بأرقى
Omam Kuromatani, Shashutuko, Idnani Yashishu,
هلن إديو لخمن تاسنقانا
Uchituni, Jokiniati, Kima Sunoti, Shananiati, Ehatu Nuzakashunuti,
شوق طالا دينان داخد هم أخني شوقلا تدينان ديا
Uwanalibi, Avnim Latere Deniatim, Eshtu Lemutim, Shudzibniati.
ولما بيرتن بجورابا إلا مخالصلا من بيشا
آمين